Good evening. Hope everyone's doing well. I'd like to go over today's trade. It's a strategy that I have not covered on this channel yet, but nonetheless, still a profitable strategy to use in the stock market. So I signaled today at 124 that I was taking a rally based drop on with SPY puts, and it was a setup on the 5 minute chart. At this point in time, I had not checked the market that much at all today. Just really busy at work, but this is the first opportunity I had and the setup that presented itself. All right, so here is the exact setup. 125, gave a screenshot here. Here's your rally, the base. This boxed area here is the base that formed, and I was looking to play puts, a nice move back to the downside. We had a fair value gap also to go along with that. And then if you're not sure what a rally based drop is, you can, on a quick Google search, you can find this setup here. So essentially you have a bullish impulsive move up, then you start ranging or trading sideways and the box forms, and then, or base, however you'd like to call it, and then you look for the move to the downside. There's also what's called a rally base rally, another strategy to look up. But based on my indicators, I had a feeling that we were going to pull back, and we'll look at that here next. All right, so to go along with that, I always give my indicators. On the RSI, we were up near the oversold range, close to that 70 level, and then there was plenty of room for SPY to pull back before hitting the oversold range. The MACD was starting to curl and setting up for the bearish MACD cross, and the TTM was showing us that buying momentum was running out. Buyers were starting to leave the market. So all of that, as you can see here, gave me an indication that this was going to be a rally base drop. I gave some take profit levels here, 3 levels that were below the current price. Then I signaled that we had reached the first take profit level, and I trimmed there for 50% return. Then again, trimming some more for 70% return, and then the signal when I was all out. Now let's take a look at the whole setup. Here it is again, rally, base. Here was my entry, and as we were still forming the base, caught this nice move down, the initial push, trimmed here at the 200 EMA, tried to hold, hoping we'd come and fill this complete fair value gap to the downside. However, it started getting really choppy in here, so I went ahead and took my profit.